What's your problem? What's up? Wait, what? We got the rails on. You feel me? I like that. That felt good. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! That's how I loop. But I felt it. I was inbound one. I felt it. Never felt that before. Wow. I don't even have to clutch up. That's cop. I'll go slower. Oh, he pulling someone over, huh? Trying to progress, man. Wow. Staring at you. You got a boyfriend, little hope. Oh, it's just so fun. Always so fun. Aston Martin? Is this a Lagonda? No, but it's a fast one. But look at those tailpipes though. Little itty bitty tailpipes. Oh look, is he putting on sports mode? And imagine he was. A little Aston Martin. I think these are, I don't know. Those are fast though. I'll give them a thumbs up. You got him! Peace! And I was hitting a whole bunch of divots in the ground and everything. So stupid. But see, people like these guys don't know, they don't understand. Like, you see this gap right here, that gap? Let's go in that gap, man. When they least expecting. They're dumb, bruh. Definitely my best one yet in second gear. I was in balance point, bro. I was just scoot. That was fun. That was my best one yet. We have to do another one. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What's your problem? What's up? For what reason? Yeah, ain't gonna do this. For no reason. Haters just be mad for no reason. They just be mad for no reason, bro. I'm away from every person, and that dude still do some shit like that. That's crazy, bro. I ain't even close to that boy. And I was like, what? What's up then? He said, oh my God, not worth my time. Yeah, not worth my time. Not worth my time. Yeah, you little back to regular scheduled programming. Everybody dead stop up here. That's bad. I'm gonna get in this lane. Oh, can't get in that lane. Is this the dude? Was he in a Durango? I can't remember if it was a Durango, bro, or a Traverse. It was one of the two, but I can't remember which one it was. The dude's all mad though, because I popped the wheelie. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Little Gerber baby. Is this him, bro? I wonder if that's him, bro. If it is, I should go say something to him. I don't know if it's him though. I wonder if that's him, bro. I don't know if it's him or not. I can't tell. It's crazy too. Hold up. I gotta pause my music real quick. Hold up. It's crazy too, because I was looking in my mirror, because I'm always away from everybody. I always try to get away from everybody as best as possible as I can. I look in my mirror, that dude's coming up mad quick. Oh, it was an Explorer. That's what it was. Because I was like, is this a cop? I thought a cop was coming up on me real quick. Like being like, get the f off the bike. So it was an Explorer. That's what it was. And he coming up mad fast. So I was like, what the hell? This is probably a cop. That's crazy as hell. But it wasn't even a cop. It was literally a random pedestrian that was mad. Just because I'm out of the way and doing wheelies away from everybody. That's retarded, bruh. That don't make no sense. Like, what the f? I'm away from everybody. I ain't even causing a scene like that. Or going in front of people, slamming on brakes and shit, or doing anything crap. I might be going fast, yeah, I admit that, but I'm away from everybody going fast. My first wheelie probably wasn't away from everybody, but I got in my own lane, I did my thing, and then got out of there. And zoomed out. And then when I did it again, I waited till traffic clear. I got in front of everybody. I always try to get away from everybody and then do my wheelie. That's what I always do. Because first of all, I need a space for my wheelie anyway. And at the same time, I'm not trying to do that next to people. I do it in my own lane, away from people. Oh my God, bro. Oh, I'm going with that boy. I'm going with this boy right here. Go, 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 go. I want to catch up to him. Oh, he going so fast, bro. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. Yes, sir. What's up, bro? That was crazy as bro. That's what's up, man.
Thank you.
That's tight. I'm just learning this like just got my cage on.
That's good though, because you do accidents before you crash.
Right, I know. But yeah, bro, that's crazy as hell. You scraping that and everything, man.
You got social?
Yeah, bro. Here, I'll hit you, I'll hit you. Alright.
was like, that bike looks familiar. I don't know if I know him.
Yeah, I think I seen you at the stunt lot a little bit.
Probably.
On the one on Valley View?
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen you a little bit. That's tight though, bro.
Thank you, man.
I saw you look back and I was like, he's probably checking for cops. And then you hit it up and I was like, yeah, he was. Just trying to get better, bro. Appreciate that, man.
What if, yeah, I shoot my shot in the brick.
I don't know if they got a stop sign. They got a stop sign.
I'm not the nigga for lip. Yeah,